Python variables can have many types. You can have strings, integers, float, booleans. But there's also types that can store multiple values like tuples, lists, and dictionaries. So we're going to start here with tuples, and I'm not going to tell you a lot about them because you don't use them very often in everyday code. They are typically used for storing parameter settings or configuration values. So tuples can contain multiple values, and these values are called elements, and they do not necessarily need to be the same type. So you can create a tuple that contains an integer, a string, and a boolean at the same time. That's all perfectly fine. The elements have an order, so they have a certain position in the tuple, and these positions are also called indexes. And indexing in Python always starts at 0. So the index of the element with value 1 here is 0. And the index of white is 1, and the index of true is 2. So you start counting at 0. 0, 1, 2. The most specific and annoying characteristic of tuples is that they are immutable. So they cannot change once they are created. You cannot change the elements, you cannot add or remove elements. So tuples, they will stay the same. And this is why they are typically used to store parameter settings that stay constant during the whole analysis pipeline, like dimensions of figures or color settings or any other configuration parameters. Tuples are created by using round brackets, and inside the round brackets you write all the elements of the tuple separated by a comma. And you see that when you display them, they are shown as multiple values that are surrounded by round brackets and separated by comma.